New tonight at 5 o'clock, Maryland Governor Wes Moore is talking about his priorities as we look ahead to the critical state budget talks.
Yeah, he says a record investment to support law enforcement is part of this plan. Lionel Donovan is live for us at Prince George's County's headquarters. That's a lot of S's with more on today's announcement. Lionel, how much is the governor thinking about setting aside?
Good evening, Leslie. Well, the governor is hoping to set aside $124.1 million to go to the state's law enforcement agencies. But when it comes to Maryland's finances, there's always the lingering question about where this money is going to come from. Maryland's law enforcement agencies could see a significant increase in their budgets next fiscal year, according to a proposed budget from Governor Wes Moore. The governor stood with leaders in Prince George's County to propose a record $124.1 million in funding. Moore says the investment is part of his comprehensive approach to improving public safety, which he says has shown results. Preliminary statewide data from 2025 show a 25% drop in robberies and a 25% drop in homicides.
A reduction of this magnitude doesn't just happen. This is not trends or vibes. It happens because we made smart investments, and it happened because we chose to do something really unique. Work together.
Law enforcement officials in Prince George's spoke on how the potential funding could be directed to helping survivors of domestic violence.
Making sure that that survivor of domestic violence is actually getting the treatment or the care that they need, understanding what do they have as far as relocation, or what other type of additional resources that we can do, especially when they have youth or kids with them.
However, Maryland's 2027 budget is already facing a projected deficit as high as $1.5 billion. However, State Delegate Nicole Williams says the results of Moore's approach speak for themselves.
Investments that we have made have seen actual results here in Prince George's County and throughout the state. The decrease in homicides, the decrease in carjackings. And so I think this is a worthwhile investment.
Now, Maryland's General Assembly will begin next week, where Maryland's lawmakers will also weigh in on what Maryland's next budget will look like. But for now, we're live at Prince George's County headquarters. Lionel Donovan, WUSA 9.